Good morning, ladies. Happy Monday. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. And today we're going to start with vocabulary words because further on we'll start working with our text and you'll find this new vocabulary words there. So the vocabulary words I'll tell you in advance are kind of gross, but because the text is related to science and it explains the normal or regular things that animals do, and they seem a little bit gross to us, maybe. So the first word is critical. The second word is enables. Here it's a verb and it already changed in the third person. So the verb is enable, but here it comes with enables because it's a third person in present tense. Pay attention, do not mistake this word with another that it's pretty similar, but at the beginning has a U and it says unable. I'm unable to do something. This is actually the opposite of this meaning, enables. Okay, the next one, and I'll explain the definition a bit further. Mucus, mucus. Scarce, scarce. Specialize, specialize. And sterile. So here we have hard to get or rare, strange, not easy to find. It's scarce. Okay, that means we don't have a lot of it or it may end quickly. Gives ability or power. It means you can do it. You're able to do it. Well, the word able forms part of this word and it's enables. Okay, you can do it, I can do it. Or in this case, she enables, she can do it. The next one, being important to the outcome of the situation. Critical, it's important. The next word, to develop in a special way. Well, the word special here appears again, specialize. This doctor is specialized doctor and he's a surgeon. Free from germs or sicknesses, sterile, sterile. And it's clean, free from germs, sterile. A slimy substance produced in a nose or throat. It's a mucus, mucus. And now, girls, I prepared an activity that we will do together. Well, I won't be able to see how you answer it, but this will be our practice. Just answer for yourself to see if you understood the word or you need to watch this video maybe one more time. Studying for the science test enables you to make a good grade, makes it possible, or strengthens your brain. The answer is makes it possible, enables. The next one, Mom said that money is scarce right now. All gone, like nothing is left, or not plenty, not enough. I hope you answered the second one, not plenty. Arctic animals had to specialize in order to survive in that harsh environment. Grow large and blubbery or adapt to the environment? Well, the answer is the second one, to adapt. Finding out about the disease early is critical for survival. Necessary Optional. Maybe yes, maybe no. Necessary. That's not optional. Critical is necessary, important. Next one. Mom bought a tissue box since the extra production of mucus was one of the cold symptoms. Thick substance made in the body or a substance that carries oxygen in the body. Well, I hope you answered the first one, because the substance that carries oxygen in the body is blood. The surgeon needs a sterile room before he operates. Clean, or he needs the other tools for surgery. Sterile means clean, germ-free. You got it, girls. Okay, great job. It gives the spin, and now you'll need to work with these words on page 114. You will work only with exercises 1 to 10. You'll skip the part of writing description of a grasshopper. Have a lovely week, and don't forget to send me the evidence of your work. Miss you girls a lot. If you have any doubts, make sure you send me a quick message on Algebraics. Take care. Bye.